Hey. Wait. It's not angled correctly. Yo, skaters and everybody, whoever. I even just recorded a video on, see what this guy's holding. Organic Dutchman. You can check out that video. Also, it'll probably be coming out right before this because that's when I recorded it. Because I try and upload things in chronological order so it all makes sense, because it's kind of like a vlog of my life as I go, the lifestyle of Matty Ice, not Matthew, who's Matthew? Matty Ice and Maya the Husky. These guys don't like to ever just chill. They're always like, yo, let me in the video, let's jump and go. So yes, I did a haul on this, and then I did unboxings on these, so I got multiple unboxings now. It used to be one of my most popular videos on the channel, so shout out to this shoe, one of my favorite shoes of all time. Maya, why do you always ruin my videos humping your pillow, bro? It's not cool. You're distracting me. One of my favorite shoes ever, the best skate shoe. I can't really say it's the best skate shoe because I haven't tried other ones, but I like it. And it's a newer colorway, a newer release. Nike SB, that beautiful purple box. Can't go wrong with that. I like it better than the turquoise ones. The purple is beautiful. I need to get some SB Dunks next. So yeah, the newer colorway is 140. The one I just did the video on, the like pink orange ones or whatever, were 135. It's an older color. I always sized up for these 10.5, and the reason I got the two was because it was like buy one get another one extra 25% off. So the other one was super cheap. This one was like $100 still on sale, so it's still 25% off. Not too bad. Okay, let's unbox them. My favorite shoe, dopest skate shoe. Ishod, did it right. Nike SB Ishod. Let's go. Rugged orange, black, 10.5, men's, 800 color code. Ooh, and I haven't even opened the box yet, so this is like first impression. And it's got like this like peach sole. It's okay, it still goes with it, but I really like how like they make all the colorways different. Oh wait, I did look at it one time in the haul. That's why I was like, all the colorways are so like different. It's really cool. We got this one's rugged orange, so I'm really into that orange colorway. I wanted something darker, so like it won't get dirty as fast, and I can just let it get dirty easier without worry about it look as dirty. Ooh, some different details would be like the brown gum sole foam. That's cool. That removable React, I don't want to take it out, I'm too lazy right now, with is like this like peachy peachy kind of color. And then that embroidery on the mesh with that terry cloth material combined, and that extra reinforcements. Like there's an extra kind of like terry cloth mesh reinforcement for the laces and for that mesh right there. I just wish the mesh was more malleable. Maybe it is on this model, but everything's pretty much the same. It's just a newer colorway. And that printed check, embroidered Ishod. You got the React right there. The wavy air vent. I really love just like the look of the shoe too. It just looks like a dope skate shoe because he took his inspiration from basketball and skating and kind of mixed it together just to make his kind of just all-time just like comfortable shoe for all around, just like walking, travel. Like I like it for just like kind of like it's like a nice like travel shoe, like for like if you're a skater too. It's perfect for skating. Got the tread made accurate for precision where you use the tread the most. We got this nice rugged orange rubber check on the bottom. Ooh, a little bit of rubber details throughout. And they're actually, when I was looking at it, there actually is like on the inside of inlets, it's like rubber on the top, and the inside it actually does have leather in it, so it's nice. It's kind of like how like the premium is all leather, so I'm really excited to see the premium one eventually. Ooh, the rugged orange laces. Too bad they don't come with multiple laces. Did my other ones come with another pair of laces? Are they supposed to come with two pairs? Maybe not. No, they don't. They should though. Squiggle, squiggle, stitching. It is just a very nice put together shoe, and that reverse check signature of like the basketball kind of shoes, like the Renew Nike SB patch on the back with a little bit of extra like burgundy color on there. So it's very nice shading throughout. Ooh, and the black ties it all together. Super dope. They're gonna be perfect. They're gonna last for years because they won't get wrecked from the color. Like my blue ones, they just look so ugly now from a year, from like one season of skating. It's not even a year. The season is like 3 or 4 months. The season lasted pretty long this year. I was skating for like 6 months. Woo! Super dope. I'm super excited. I'm gonna try them on tomorrow morning, I think, when there's like sunlight and it'll look cool. I can take some pictures with them on. So, might wait for that. Yeah. But thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Stay tuned for that preview. I do previews in all my videos, close up of the shoes. Speaking of previews, I need to record some for the other shoes as well. What's this like crap that they sent? There's like fluff. Nike's factory stuff has been like stuff, like their factories are whack, bro. Oh well. I'm just a picky person. Mesh on the heel. Yeah, definitely need to try the leather model because that thing will last forever then. Besides like the... No, leather's actually just pretty good overall. So yeah, definitely want to try the leather ones. It'll last way longer. But like comfort-wise, I bet these are comfier. Okay. Okay, I've been needing to film the try-on video for these shoes for like weeks now. Because I wanted to do it with a different outfit, but this outfit actually works, so. Yeah, right, Maya? She's like, of course, Matthew. Do whatever you want. Here, I'll put your squeaky toy can be in the shop. Maya, come be in the video, bro. Oh, it doesn't match as well as I thought it. It would match perfect with my ACG sweater though. They're lace. Oh wait, no. They're just dainty laces on. My move. You're in the shot. Did you? And I gotta spray these today too, or soon at least. The weather's been crappy, like weird spring weather. It feels like it's fall. These are fire. I don't know if these are, because these are newer, but it didn't say there's anything different besides the color, and they're $5 more. So I don't know what the actual, do they fit tighter even? Can't tell if it's because they're new or if there's more like comfort inside. Like a little bit more material, you know. Show you. Yeah, you need a red bandana to match. Oh, I already freaking scraped the suede. It's kind of goofy right up there. It's kind of goofy right there. It's kind of wonky. Ooh, I love these shoes though. Putting the ones on, knowing that comfort, like the React, really makes a difference on the heel. Especially when you're like skateboarding, you're always like crushing your freaking heel. So, where's my standing point? Control you. Never seen like this before. Never seen cool soles like this before. Swirly, swirly, woo. Let's get the music going, bro. Alright, that's it. Like and subscribe. Preview, I guess. Whoops. Rugged Orange. That's a good name for it, actually. Oh, it's so pretty with the blossoms. Perfect for a preview.